All right, pedestrian and bicycle accidents are a lot more common these days than they once used to be. If you live in a big city, if you live in Tampa, or you live in the surrounding area of Tampa, there's a lot more individuals that are on their bicycles and crossing the streets. And as you know, there's a lot more radical drivers, inexperienced drivers, and it's dangerous out there. It's dangerous for those that are on bicycles. It's dangerous for those pedestrians out there. You need to protect yourself. One way you do that is to actually, believe it or not, have uninsured motorist coverage. And I would recommend you stack that uninsured motorist coverage in your automobile to protect you in case you end up getting injured by someone driving a vehicle while you're on your bicycle, while you're a pedestrian. Your uninsured motorist coverage may provide you some additional benefits if that person that hits you is underinsured or has no insurance whatsoever. The driver negligence out there, the poor drivers out there, there are so many of them out there. And also there's some poor infrastructure out there, and walkways and sidewalks. And so it makes these situations when you're on a bicycle or a pedestrian even more dangerous at times. They are becoming more common. And unfortunately, with pedestrian and bicycle accidents, when someone's injured by a vehicle, it's a lot more dangerous and more damages from injuries, obviously. The first thing you want to do if you are injured as a bicyclist or a pedestrian is to seek medical attention first and foremost. And right when you're doing that, or before you do that, make sure you get as many pictures and videos of the accident or injury scene as you can, because that'll be evidence that you can use later on to properly document your case and prove your case. These are difficult and dangerous cases. If you are injured while you're on a bicycle or you're injured as a pedestrian, you can file a claim. And it's important that you know that. One thing to keep in mind, if you are injured as a pedestrian, if you are injured as a bicyclist by someone driving a vehicle, if you yourself own a vehicle, you may be entitled to medical benefits through your personal injury protection benefits on your auto insurance policy. It's important that you speak with your lawyer before accepting those benefits. And there's a few reasons why. It gets a bit more complicated, but generally speaking, sometimes if you were injured on a bicycle, sometimes if you're injured a pedestrian, you may want to accept those PIP or personal injury protection benefits. It may help you. In other scenarios, accepting those benefits could actually hurt you, believe it or not. So it's important that you know that. And also important that you know, as a bicyclist and as a pedestrian, you have rights. You have the ability to file a claim and seek damages in your injury case. If you have any questions regarding a bicycle or pedestrian situation or incident that you've been involved in, please give me a call. My name is Rob Johnson. I'm a personal injury attorney with Carter Injury Law, and I look forward to speaking to you. It's a no fee, no cost consultation. Have a great day.